Want to learn how to edit this?
I'm freezing outside, I feel my skin tight, my coat is inside, but I look up at you, I tracked your play right, for when you're in tonight, tell me when is the next time I run in.
Let's start. First, import your music and clips into Filmora. To start creating the intro, add a new track on the timeline. Then split the first clip and move that split section to the new track. Next, go to Stock Media and add a blue star background to the timeline. Now open the Effects panel and search for Tunnel Effect 2. Drag it onto the blue star background clip. After that, add another effect called White Digital Wave 4. Then go to Transitions and search for Diagonal Slide. Apply it to the clip we split earlier. This is how it should look like. Next, open Stickers and search for a white border sticker. Add it to a new track above the others. Add another white border sticker, adjust its size and position first, and then we'll animate it. To animate it, add a keyframe by clicking the diamond icon in the Transform controls. Move the playhead forward on the timeline and rotate the white border sticker to create motion. Finally, add a simple fade in and fade out animation to the sticker. And that's it! You've created the intro transition. Now, let's work on another transition. Copy the clip, then paste it into another track. Place it between the two clips that were split earlier. Next, add AI portrait cutout to the clip and choose any border you like. After that, duplicate the cutout clip you just made. On the duplicated clip, turn off the cutout, then add a black and white filter. Now go to Video Effects and add the manga overlay effect. Finally, go to Transitions and search for 3D Slideshow Style 2. Add it between the clips you split earlier. This is how it should look like. For the next clip, we're going to add the 3D box drop transition. Duplicate the last clip and paste it onto the track above it. Then apply AI portrait cutout to the duplicated clip. Next, split the original clip. After that, go to Transitions, search for Film Frame 1, and add it between the clips. Now we're done with all the transitions, so let's move on to the lyrics. Add a quick text and type in the lyrics. Then open the advanced text settings. Change the font to Avenir Next Bold. And add a black shadow so the text is easier to see. Next, duplicate the text and edit it to match the next part of the lyrics. Change the font to Roja and change the color to blue. From here, just keep copying and pasting the text, then cut and edit it each time the lyrics appear. And that's it for this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future.